Hey, on my Facebook peeps, this is your boy Johnny Draper 2011. And the camera might be upside down, I don't know. It's early on a Sunday morning, and I'm getting ready to go for a bike ride. Let's take a ride. Alright, sorry about the little bit of spit there. Had a lot of orange juice and stuff before I jumped on the bike, so I had my vitamins. And, alright, let's do this. It's cold out, it's probably about 30 degrees, so have fun, and let's take a ride. Pretty nice out actually, nice and brisk, but a tad bit chilly. We're not going to go far today, we're going to just do a couple miles. And then try to do myself a cardio afterwards, so. You're welcome. Center of Westfield, obviously you can tell it's Sunday morning, there's nobody up. Yeah, cold air is really starting to hit the lungs already. I'm only a couple of blocks out from the house, so but I would expect it's cold. Alright, let's go this way. Hello, people. Alright, center of Westfield. And we're going to be heading over to the new bike trail entrance. It's not really new, it's a few months old, but it's my first time using this part of it. I usually going by the East Silver Street end, but now, over there, right here, the center of Westfield, right by my house, so this is cool. look to my left. Alright. Whew. Seems a little uncomfy this morning. And you know where. Alright. Ooh, what do we got up here? Got a fox up there. Can you guys see that? Right in front of me up there. Got a fox. Oh, he ran through the fence. That was cool. I wonder if I'll see anything else up here. I saw a fox. See if I can see where he went. He's gone, man. That boy hit the bricks. Anyways, I saw a fox this morning. That was cool. Alright. So, let's see. We got another entrance over here they built now? Oh, cool. This part you got now is all new. It wasn't in any of my previous videos. It's cool. I like this little setup. So we're only going to do a couple miles today. So it's about 30 degrees out. It's real cold on my lungs. And of course I'm dressed a little bit heavier than normal. Sweatshirt, long sleeve shirt, jacket, gloves, all 9 yards. But in fact, I don't want to freeze myself either. I don't make myself sick. So yeah, this is part of my weight loss training. I was just waiting for the weather to kind of clear up a little bit so I can actually take the bike out. So I haven't done a video in a while. Nobody wants to slip on ice on a bike. It's not good for anybody, especially the rider. So, this is where I would normally pick it up, over by East Silver. I don't know if you can see any of that. We're up on a bridge right now. The entrance used to be over there. Mars Environmental Protection. File number 3330693. Whatever the hell that means. But I knew what they do. Alright, nice little dip there. Alright, we're already at a mile. So that's not too bad. Yeah, maybe we'll make it 3 miles. That was just too easy. Just remember, John, wherever you go heading, you have to turn around and go back home. Got a water pack with me, a piece of candy, just in case the sugar drops a little. But that's about it. I just come out and get the blood pumping this morning. Kind of sat around yesterday. You can tell by my calorie thing I did at the end of the day there, my calorie goals. I think I did just over 5,000 steps yesterday. Yesterday was a relax, no lifting weights workout day. Not supposed to tear up too much of your chest, arms, and back, which I normally do in a standard workout. But you do gotta give your muscles a couple of days, or at least a good 48 hours to rebuild. They say if you really work on your chest and your arms a lot, you actually can just do that twice a week. But it's just the guys that are on YouTube. Some of them know what they're talking about, some don't. I find it working out really heavy weight, benching, curling, and regular standard dumbbells, do bench flies and stuff, and get a good pump in. Let my body relax for about 24 hours, then I'll hit him up again. Get my body, get it relaxed, and then 2 days straight, well, 2 workout sessions I should say, in 2 days. I'll go hard. I'll just chest, arms, chest, arms, chest, arms in a workout. Second day, same thing, chest and arms. And just pump it out, you know. It just feels so awesome. I think I might be getting a little addicted to it. It's just, when you finally put the weights down and you just feel your arms, you can feel the blood pumping into them. You just look at your arms, the veins start to stick out a little bit. It just makes you feel good. It just could be all psychological, but to me it makes me feel good. For all you players there, player haters out there, hey, I say wait till beginning of summer, end of spring, and have some new picks out there. New picks. For anybody that heard me wrong. And show you guys the transformation as over the winter. Kind of cooped up, except for the walking here and there. I'm really hell bent on doing this. So, I was 275. I'm down to 254 now. So we're doing it. We're working on it. We're getting there. Boy, cold really wreaks havoc on your lungs, I'll tell you. So I'm not going too fast. You'll probably hear me wheezing a little bit. That's just cold air hitting the warm lungs. Starting to sweat a little bit. Possibly too many layers. But since I'm this far into it, if I do take off those layers now and bring it down just to the jacket, because I'm sweating and it's so cold, good way to catch pneumonia or just plain get sick. And I'm not trying to do that. Sick a couple months ago, had to do the Z-Pack thing, and it wreaked havoc with those antibiotics in my system for a week and a half, and man, antibiotics hurt you. Alright, well, let's see if we can, actually there is. Give you guys a little view of what I'm looking at, which is pretty cool. At a bridge here in the woods, part of the bike trail. We'll pull over, I'll give you a little bird's eye view of what I'm seeing. Hopefully you can see it on the camera. Whew. Legs a little rubbery. I don't know if you guys can see that, but this is my view on a Sunday morning bike ride. I'm going to drink of water here. Got my water thingy. Tad bit of a headache. That's the sweat going out of you. Really easy to dehydrate yourself this way. Too much sweat. My heart's definitely got a good rate going. It's probably about 120 without looking at my little gear that I have here that'll actually tell me that, but I'm probably about 120 beats. Which is a little high, but that's what you need to burn calories too. So go on the other side. Show you what else I'm looking at here. Oh, there goes my GPS for my Garmin. Let me know that I'm actually moving again. Alright. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Nice little view. So this is my bike ride on the way to losing weight. Early Sunday morning. We are at, let's see, 8:40 Sunday morning. A lot of you probably just waking up, grabbing your coffee, stuff like that. Let's see if I can make sure my bike tracker thing didn't cut off on me here. No, it's still going. Ooh, my sunglasses getting a little fogged up. Alright, I've hit a mile, 0.75, so obviously mile 3/4. But there you go, another shot. Beautiful river that runs through the woods here at Westfield. So, you know what, let's go back to the center of Westfield and let's take a ride to, how about that bridge that I did a video of with the raging waters. Alright, let's get out of here. Start heading back. sweating up pretty good over here. I really hope I don't get sick later. That'll really suck. Not bad, man. It was 2 miles, like, real quick. Tell you what, walking's good for you. Biking will get you there a lot quicker. So, yeah, let's do that. Let's take this ride. We'll go to the bridge. Well, we'll see when we get back to the center Westfield here. Farm country out there. Spring will be rolling around the corner soon. They'll be able to start growing their crops, and they might grow tobacco down there. I'm not really 100% sure on that one, but all right. A shot of water here. All right, we're hitting about 2 miles early now. 2 mile mark. I want to see that fox again. That was cool. I have a jogger up here. That cold air is really wreaking havoc in my lungs. It's hard to pull in air. Should have probably waited till it got a little warmer. I also hit about almost close to 50 today, but my face mask on here. There's a heat back in my lungs. All right. Oh yeah. I'm probably going to call this, wow, they really rode that far? Holy smokes. Yeah, I was almost done. I still got a half mile to go back. That sucks. Or some people out the same idea as I did, up and about Sunday morning. Well, note to self. So, early morning riding again. Till summer or spring. Unless the weather's warmer. You'll give me weird looks. I got the camera strapped to my chest. It's a camera, people. It's not a, you know what, vest. Oh, it looks like they're going to expand the bike path soon. Look straight ahead. See the gate down there. There used to be a trestle there for the train to go over. Alright. Sorry about that. I had to get some water intake. Alright. Heading back down to the center of Westfield. Definitely have to adjust my back brakes because they're all the way down and I'm still going a little. Just don't want to spit out the end of here and hit a pedestrian walking or some kid on his bike. That wouldn't be good for anybody. It'd make me feel bad. Plus, I'd probably get sued. Anyways. Uh-oh, somebody's in trouble. That's their fire. Fire truck. Alright, back in flat ground. That's the city. This is a little higher elevation, which isn't really much, but man, up on that path, it was a lot cooler. There's a lot of smog down here, street level wise. Alright, be careful, I don't want to get squished by a car. They don't stop. Oh, I got the green. I got the crosswalk. That was cool. They saw me coming. Alright. Main streets of Westfield. East Coast. Something's going down. There's another fire truck on. Oh, police car. Uh-oh. Pull over. Westfield Popo on scene, got carjacked over. Watch out for the guy on the bike, people. Thank you. Well, I'll tell you right now what happened the last time I had the bike out, which is back in the fall. My gears is skipping a lot. It's back and forth. This is the Mongoose 29-inch frame. It's pretty high up. But the grips are kind of small, just enough to where I can grip it, and the grip part sticks just a tad bit out of the end of my hand. But it has the shifters right where your thumb and your pointing finger go on your hand, sorry. So you could just easily click, 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 shift. What happened is I learned to keep my hands a little bit off there by just a centimeter. So I had a feeling when I was trying to go up hills, which I still can't stand up and do, just due to the fact of an injury I sustained last February. I'm still bouncing back from that. So all this helps with the bike riding, exercise. Basically the same thing they have me doing in therapy. is stationary, so but it makes you feel like you're climbing hills and all that other stuff. Nice. Okay, someone got sick down the sidewalk last night. Hey people, we're going to cut this short. I'm going to actually now back home. Like I said, the cold air is just wreaking havoc on my lungs. I would go further today, but my lungs hurt. So I'm going to cut this short and squeeze in here and stop where we started. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Facebook friends, YouTubers, check out my videos, Johnny Draper 2011. We'll talk to you guys later. Ooh, got some drops on the case. I think it's waterproof and they're frozen. Goes tell you how cold it is. Alright, talk to you guys later. Love, peace, and happiness. Johnny Draper 2011. Cycling to lose weight. Bye.